So we're recording now. And so after you click the invite button, you want to click on the continue with Google, that very first option. Top.
Okay.
Yeah, you might have a pop-up.
Yeah.
You might need to address. Yeah, thank you. Try that again. Oh, there it goes.
Yeah, that's it.
All right, and then make sure you pick your Butler account, which is that top one.
Is this normal?
It can take a little bit of time.
Okay.
But it does seem like it's long.
I had to click it twice, actually. Once it was doing that. Yeah, I clicked it. So I'm waiting on the page where it wants to sync my stuff.
Okay. Try that again, Siobhan, if you don't mind clicking Google it, and let's see if it goes a little quicker. Oh, all right. There we go.
I don't know why that worked.
Did it go in the background?
That's interesting. Okay.
Okay. So on this page, you can basically ignore all the sync of Google stuff. At the very top right, you're going to see the option that says go to the app, that link. Do you see that way over the top? Yeah. Click on that. Okay, and then Vivian, are you seeing this screen as well? Okay, click on the Join Now blue button there as you've been invited to join the Butler University team for Otter. Now you're on your welcome page for the Otter AI. And now the next step is to connect this to your Zoom account. So over on the left, about 4 down, you're going to see the apps option. Go ahead and click on that. Okay, and then on this screen, you're going to look for something called Otter Live Notes. Now, right now, the blue button to the right of that says upgrade to Otter for Business. Ideally, it shouldn't say that because you already have been added to the team, but we kind of have to fake out Otter for a second. So go ahead and click on that upgrade to Otter for Business. It's going to take you to a pay site, and then just hit your back button, okay? We're not going to do that. It's already been paid for. Now you can see the add button shows up. Vivian, does that do that for you as well?
Yep.
Okay, so go ahead and click on that Otter Live Notes add button. Now here, if you've already logged into Zoom, it might just say authorize, but if you haven't logged into Zoom, you're going to go ahead and click in the sign in with SSO option. Okay, and here you're going to type in Butler U. Right, and then just hit continue. And you'll need to enter in your Butler credentials here. Right, exactly.
Okay.
And then at the bottom here, it says authorize. You're just authorizing Otter to access to your Zoom account. Okay, Vivian, are you seeing this screen as well here with these 2 buttons?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. So what we want to see here is this test configuration button to turn blue, but it's not turned blue yet. So we have to fake it out again. So click on the configuration guide blue button. That's going to open a fresh tab. We've already done these steps actually. So now close that tab that just opened in your browser. And now, for some reason, most of the time it works to show a blow test configuration button. Vivian, did it do the same for you?
It.
Okay, so click on the test configuration button, and we're getting confirmation that we successfully connected Siobhan's site, Otter site, or Zoom site. Did you get the same, Vivian?
I did.
Okay, so that was the extent of the setup. Okay, the next step is for each of you just to test your own Zoom meetings. Okay.